Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And Ann is driving once again, and we always love where that takes us. So we are working in the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook, and the name of our dessert today that we're making together.
Lime custard tart with fresh fruit.
And it is it's beauty.
Delicious.
If you're following along, we're on page 261 of the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook.
Now, first of all, we want to make the crust. And we are using the Ezekiel 4.9 sprouted crunchy cereal. You could use grape nuts, but this is way better. And in fact, the best of all, if you can find it, is to get the Kashi 7 whole grain nuggets. I couldn't find them at our store just the other day when I went to shop. But this is great. This is crunchier in the long run than grape nuts. So I am going to put in a 1 1/4 cups, and you can put it into a bowl, which you can do, but you know what? It's kind of stupid. Just put it all in here, and then I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of apple juice concentrate in. So here is 1.
The directions say to use a bowl,
And here
but
is
she's
2.
being a rebel and just using the pie tin.
And 1,
Love
2,
it.
3. And then you just have to stir it up.
Looks like jelly almost. Do you want this still?
I had a fork. I'll get another fork. And I'm just going to mix it all up. And then when it's all mixed up,
It's just those 2 ingredients in there.
Just those 2 ingredients.
So you got this nice crispy,
and actually,
crunchy, and sweet.
When I made it the other day, I added vanilla, only because I love vanilla, but there's no reason to do that. So you just do this, and then you spread it all up around so that you have a nice little crust.
Pardon me?
And I could have just done this a little longer, but to save time, I want you all to know the crazy, interesting thing I did. I made this yesterday, and I froze it. So today, I am simply going to get a crust, because I would otherwise need to bake this for about 14 minutes at 350 in the oven. But instead, look, magic.
Just like the Today Show.
Already done. Where did my banana go? I need a banana.
Right here, okay.
I have a banana. And what I like to do is to put on the bottom a banana, just put it all around the outside, and...
Oh, just little slices of it?
Yeah, you want to start putting it on?
Well, like this?
Yeah.
On the bottom?
Yep.
Like the outside rim?
Yeah, all around.
Like a crown?
All around.
Or the whole thing?
Whole thing.
Oh.
Cover it.
You said on the outside, so I don't know what that, I wasn't sure what that meant.
I mean,
I've had this pie a million times, but you usually make it, and I usually just eat it.
eat it. Look at that.
One banana fits pretty perfectly.
One banana is good. It's good. And you know, you never can get too much. I mean, this is a fruit-filled delight. So now I have got this ready to go. And Jane is going to be present for the next, because I'm going to take 2 of the Mori New Silken Light Firm Tofus. Now you could do this just as well with the silken, and it has to be silken.
Has to be silken, or you're going to make cat litter. Chunky. I have scissors right here. I have scissors right here.
Oh, could you open it? How to open this was always a...
Okay, so you want to drain it. If there's a little bit of water in there, it's a good idea
I'm going to
dip it in the sink over here.
This is a nice absorbent towel.
And you already
I just
have one
put
in
one
there.
in, and I'm going to put this one in. Wait a minute. There is just a little bit left in here. I don't want to miss an ounce. Sometimes it comes out in a perfect...
Like a cube. Just goes...
Wait, no, hang on.
Oh, sorry. I'm doing my own technique. I usually just squeeze. Oh, you're getting maple syrup.
Oh, that's good. So, I am going to simply...
There's a piece of banana. I'm going to add it on.
just get as much moisture out as you can. I usually use paper towels, to be truthful, but this is a nice absorbent, beautiful dish towel. And
to tell you the truth, it's clean. All my dish towels are so like emergency clean up the tamari spilled, and they're just
I don't
dark
use
and gray
dish towels to clean up tamari. I would use my sponges.
Oh.
All right. So the more you get out, otherwise it can be kind of runny. So the more
Do you want another
liquid
dish
you
towel?
get out.
I have one right here. If you want to pull, this helps pull out a little bit more fluid. I find they usually have like 6 dish towels worth
Now
of fluid.
Jane has. Well, that's a beautiful clean.
You
dish
gave it to
towel.
me for the holiday. That's why I haven't used it yet to clean up
so
any
nice.
serious spills. All right,
All
so
right.
what are we going to put? That goes in here? Okay.
Well, without the dish towels.
Yeah. I find that putting it in.
But paper towels work too.
Okay, then what's next?
And then I'm going to put in some.
Ooh, look at that. It's falling out slowly. If you could see my side, it's just bit by bit, all those chunks that you didn't want to lose. I don't want to lose either. Oh. Okay.
And then I am going to put in 2/3 of a cup of maple syrup. 1/3 per tofu, I've found, is what it makes it best.
So if you were making half, you just use 1/3.
Yeah. And Jane, could you make your machine go, because sometimes your machine is not easy to run.
All right, we just have, it feels like funny little pieces of ricotta or something are all over the place. All right, so just stir this. Is 2/3 already in there? 2/3 cup? Okay, we have 2/3 cup of maple syrup in here and 2 of the tofu's drained. Nice. All right. So
You need to stop it and scrape the sides.
get some of those valuable
Little
pieces
chunks.
of tofu down.
And then I am going to add 6 tablespoons of lime juice. And this is the zest of all of the limes that I did. And the more, don't ever use a lime or a lemon without including the zest, because that's where all the power of the fruit is in the peel.
Okay, anything else going to go in?
Nope.
Tofu, maple syrup, lime juice, and lime zest. This is looking great. Oh, I see a piece of lime. Oh, what's red in there? Something red must be from a previous Cuisinart adventure with red peppers. That was bizarre. Okay. All right. Can I dare taste this?
You can take. So what we're going to do now is remove it,
Oh man, that's good.
and I'm going to put some in here. But wait, this is the thing that's so fun about this. Okay, I've got a nice little layer here. Now, I have got about most of a mango. I'm going to put this down here, mango. I'm just going to put it all in. I mean, just because.
Well,
Yeah.
Okay,
And
great.
then I am going to put, I love raspberries, just love raspberries. So I'm going to put a few raspberries in.
Or blueberries if you have them.
Blueberry, well, wait.
You said
Then-
blueberries or raspberries.
I am going to put, I mean, you could put as much as you want of fruit in here, right there. And then I'm going to put this on the top. Jane, do you have
Tofu?
well, I'd rather have something I can get everything.
I'll dig away at it.
Can you dig away?
Yeah. This is a tovolo someone sent us that has actually a cool, like a tongue-like,
Here.
sort of, I don't know, way to gather everything up. Oop, I just splashed you, I think. So you've got a layer, will you repeat what you have there? A layer of banana, and then a layer, no. Yeah, banana
Okay.
and then sauce, or banana with
Now,
mango?
I'm going to decorate the top with more fruit.
Yeah, she's not going to
And
help.
when we originally made the photograph for the book, I asked our granddaughter, Kryle, Jane's daughter, Jane and Brian's daughter, to please decorate it. And so I am doing it the way she did. And this is kiwi. I'm going to put the kiwi around.
We were young food stylists in training, I suppose.
And then
We are not known for
what
our food
Kryle
styling.
did, which I just love, is she put a blueberry on the top of each of these. And then, clearly it needs more color.
So
And
what do you
then-
do?
What do you do? Then she put strawberries
Between each section?
between each section.
You get a
You can
big
add some.
Nice.
And actually, Jane?
She put two.
No, but she didn't do it. You have to do it turned up,
Oh, okay, sorry.
please. Jane.
There we go.
Wait, not quite. Wait. There's another.
Oh, and
know
you put a
what?
little layer of blueberries around the crown, like right here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Ha-cha-cha.
But the thing is, all you have to do really is bake the crust, which is so easy, and the rest is just fun. It's just plain fun. Now, the problem with this, and which is probably today's problem, is it's going to be too runny a little bit. So it eventually comes out in perfect pie shapes. But you know what?
Do you have to wait, like, do you have to wait one day? Or
No, it just doesn't matter. You can just have a beautiful
scoop?
smushy scoop, and it's so good. And I brought a,
Can we have a scoop now, or do you?
do you have a little dish? So,
We have a lot
I
of
hate
them.
to break into it. It's so gorgeous.
Okay, what do you want to do, Mommy?
I'm just gonna cut into it.
Wait, you want a knife? Oh, you got it. Surprised you don't want your tovolo. Should we get a tovolo?
No.
Okay. Here we go. Serving the tart. Here.
Thank you.
Wow. It is so yummy. Here's another one.
Isn't it beautiful? Oh,
It might not serve up like a like a.
Jane, it
I'm not going to
does.
say it. It does what?
It serves up perfectly.
Yeah.
Perfectly. This just, it just has to wait a little bit.
I think if you
But, oh my
chill it.
God, it is so very good.
It does look delicious. Oh, it's getting all over my pants. It does look delicious. Do we want a spoon or a fork with your tart?
A straw.
A straw? Do you,
Always make so much fun of my beautiful.
I was serious. Do you want a spoon or a fork? You're the one who said a straw. I'm not making fun. I was being very respectful of said tart. Okay.
My pie.
The pie. No,
All
this
right.
is a tart. This is a lime custard tart with fresh fruit. Wade. Brian, will you come try? Thank you. Here, give it a go. All right.
Oh, you don't have to eat it, Brian.
Here,
He hasn't had breakfast yet.
oh. Oh, okay.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
No, it's great. All right. Tell us what you want to do with your Brian's having breakfast right now. But tell us what you want to do with your tart. Are you going to serve it with a fork, a spoon,
Or a straw.
All right. Bye-bye.